Well, we just saved ourselves 2 kilometers of rugged walking by using this nice little Jeep right here. Thanks, Dan. Well, today we are hiking the Sanchary Sam Lake hike. 8 kilometers, so let's do this. Wow. This is pretty thick. Wow. Oh, cool. Woo. Yep. Definitely jumping in that cold lake to feel good. Okay, this lake better be close because I'm tired and hot. Do not try this trail, it sucks. Hello, Bilo.
Hello.
Whose freaking idea was this? Belle? Belle, this is the lake we were waiting for?
Yes.
Oh, hey, Evelina. Woohoo! You see the lake? Yeah, I think we'll take this path here. Well, that's a view. There you go. Is it cold, Bill? Wow. All right, let's see how freaking cold this water is. Woo, it's refreshing. Yeah, that is cold. Oh, that's numbingly cold. Well deserved. All right, cheers. We made it. Woo! Alright, this is absolutely gonna suck, but just gotta do it. Woo! Woo! Oh shit! Woo! I can't breathe! Whew. Yeah, you know, it's not so bad. Just kidding. I can't even feel my feet. Oh my god, I can't even get out of here. It's a nice night. god, it's cold. Woo! Oh my god, it's like minus 20 in here. Oh yeah, cool. All the way in. Bill, the pro hiker, hiking on snow with his nice sandals there. Don't slip. Well, I guess I need to get on this snow here. Walking on snow in September. So nice. Alright, we got the lake over here. And now we're on this glacier. And we're gonna get in the entry right here. Look, this is slippery. Whoa. Cool. Bill.
I think that's it right there.
Is this everything you were expecting?
I thought it'd be a cooler case.
Well, this is pretty cool, but I guess we gotta turn around. It's starting to lose daylight here. I don't know if you can see the mountains back there, but mountains are so high that it's covering the sun. This is the way to hike down. Woohoo! I can barely see you guys. This is cool, man. Literally, it's cool. Come on, this is incredible. He's just staring. What a weird dog. Oh, there he goes. Where you going, man? Where you going, doggo?
What's that, Rocky? Didn't tell him about.
Somebody wants you to jump in with us. Pardon me. Alright, doggo, we gotta go.
We gotta go.
Bye-bye. Well, that was a really cool hike. The lake was beautiful and we got to see a big waterfall and a glacier. But holy crap, that was hard, so I'm happy we are done. And we get to drive back in the Jeep. Thank God, because that would have been an extra 2 kilometers on this gravel road.